Class, quiet down. Hi, my name is Mr. Brewer, and this is my class, and...
When are we going on the field trip?
Quiet down! We're about to say that.
Yeah, you idiot. When are we going on the field trip? We want to go on the field trip.
Hi, guys. So, class, we're going to be learning about the world today, and we're just going to be talking about things. The computer chart and everything.
Percy Jackson, come with me, please.
Okay, I'll go with you, idiot. Where's the pen, Percy? What pen? Wait, where's the bolt? Not the pen, sorry. I want bolt. I guess I'll have to kill you. Roar! Give me the ball!
What are you doing?
Percy, take this. Throw his pen at Percy.
Throw his pen at monster. I'll be back for you!
Oh no.
Hey, little boy, you want to twirl your fingers in my hair and smell it? Here, smell it.
No thanks, Annabelle. Let's just stick with the program.
So guys, we got accused of stealing Zeus's lightning bolt, so we need to, go get it. What the frick are you doing, Annabelle? As I was saying, we gotta go get it back.
I am here to steal the lightning bolt. Give it to me now. When you don't, I'm gonna kill you.
We don't have it. Zeus pen at face.
Shut up! Oh yeah! Oh, Annabelle! I mean, Percy!
Aha! I had the bolt all along!
That's what you think of me!
Okay, let's just take the bolt from this guy. Takes bolt off of ground. Wow, guys, we're almost there. We're almost to the Empire State Building. We're in the ocean. We're in the ocean, and we're almost there, idiots. Oh shoot!
Speaking of smelling your hair, no, you already said no. You're not smelling my hair anymore. Come here! I want the lightning bolt. Give it to me, or I'm gonna kill you and rip your hair.
Nah, fam, we're gonna freaking gang up on you.
Gang up! I don't care now.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Defeat me! Hell yeah, we defeated him!
Who has disturbed me from this slumber?
We brought you the lightning bolt, Zeus, you idiot. It wasn't us all along.
It really looks like a dude. Yay, we did it! Grover, do you want a hug?
Oh, heck no.